Molweni. In this lesson we focus on language skills and the following phrases apply. Uyakwazi ukuthetha isiNgesi. Uyakwazi ukuthetha isiNgesi. Do you know how to speak isiNgesi, English? Or can you speak English? Ukuthetha, to speak. Uyakwazi, do you know how? Alternatively, uyakwazi ukuthetha isi-Afrikaans. Can you speak Afrikaans? Do you know how to speak Afrikaans? To this there can be a yes and a no. Ewe ndiyakwazi. Yes, I can, or yes, I know how. Hayi andikwazi. No, I can't, or I do not know how. Alternatively, you could ask, okanye means or, uyasazi isiNgesi. Uyasazi isiNgesi. Do you know it, namely English? Uyasazi isi-Afrikaans. Do you know Afrikaans? An answer to that could be, hayi andisazi. No, I do not know it. Or ewe. I won't type in the ewe, but ewe. Ewe ndiyasazi. Yes, I do know it. Or one could say, ewe ndiyakwazi ukusithetha. Ewe ndiyakwazi ukusithetha. Yes, I do know how. To thetha, speak, and the si refers to it. Ewe ndiyasithetha kancinci. Now, kancinci means a little. Kancinci. Or you could say ndisafunda. I am still funda, in the process of learning. Another possibility, ndiyazama. I am zama, making an attempt. Usifunde phi. Where did you learn it? You, funde, learnt, si, it, phi. Where? Ndisifunde esikolweni. Esikolweni, at school. Another variation, usazela phi isiXhosa. Usazela phi isiXhosa. From where do you know isiXhosa? You know from azela phi, where, isiXhosa. Now some of us grew up on a farm, and a response would be ndakhulela efama. Ndakhulela efama. Or ndasifunda esikolweni. Ndasifunda esikolweni. I studied it at school. Now the difference between ndisifunde esikolweni, I learned it at school, and ndasifunda esikolweni, I learned it or studied it at school, is merely a question of time. Ndisifunde is in the more recent past, and ndasifunda means that you studied it a long time ago. Esikolweni, at school. And then just a brief revision exercise covering both counting and also the little section on language skills. If we say babini, how many people are there? There are 2. Zine, how many objects are there? There are 4. Bathandatu, how many people are there? They are 6 in number. Inye iTV, there is 1 TV. Zisibhozo, there are 8 objects. Ba lishumi, there are 10 people. Remember, the ba refers to people and the z to objects. Mnye umfundi. Mnye, there is 1 student. Ndifuna zibe ntathu. Ndifuna zibe ntathu, I want 3 of whatever they are. Ndifuna zibe lishumi, I want 10 of whatever they are. Zinhlanu, there are 5 objects. Uyakwazi ukuthetha isiNgesi. isiNgesi, English. Andikwazi, I can't or don't know how. Ewe, kancinci, yes, a little. Ndisafunda, I am still learning. Ndiyazama, I am trying. Efama, where is that? On a farm. Esikolweni, well, that speaks for itself. At school. And of course, isiNgesi once more is English. Good. That concludes this little lesson and revision exercise. Enkosi kakhulu.